Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to the class students. Today we will start the explanation of notes of biology. Then the chapter is transportation system in plants. The first one is fill in the blanks. Here root hair increase the surface area for absorption of water, and the process of preparation of food by plants in the presence of light, that is called the photosynthesis. And osmosis is a process which occurs for the water molecules from a region of its higher concentration to a region of its lower concentration through a semi permeable membrane. Next one is active transport. Here it takes place lower concentration to a region of higher concentration and gradients across the semi permeable membrane. Next one is which carries water and mineral from the root of the leaf. So you will fill here the xylem. Next one is the process by which water evaporates from stomata in leaves is called the transpiration. Next, rate of transpiration, it increases with increase in temperature, and transpiration mainly occurs through stomata in leaves. And next one is manganese. It is a micronutrient. Next one is choose the correct option. Here in plants water is transported through the xylem, and water absorbed through roots can be increased by keeping the potted plants in dim light. Here you will tick dim light. Next one is that the phloem tissue in plants is responsible for the transport of glucose, and which of the following help in upward movement of water and dissolve minerals from root to the leaves through stem, that is transportation. Next, the food from leaves is carried away to other parts of plant by these cells. So that cells are companion cells and sieve tubes of phloem. Due to an increase in temperature, so the rate of transpiration is increases. Which of the following helps in transport the substances in plants? So that is xylem and phloem both. So A and B both. What are the tiny pores on leaves called through which transpiration takes place? That is called the stomata. Then fill in the blanks. Root hair, it increases the surface area for absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Food in plants is prepared in the leaves. That process is called photosynthesis. Water from the soil enters root hair by the process that is known as osmosis, and transpiration of water through stomata in leaves mainly takes place during daytime, and the cell membrane is semi permeable membrane as it allows the certain molecules to pass through diffusion. Next one is water and minerals are absorbed by root hairs from the soil, and water absorbed by root hair from soil moves from cell to cell till it reaches to the xylem vessel in the center of root. Next one is true and false. So here it is given that phloem transport food as well as water in plants. So it is false. Xylem transports food as well as water in plants. It is also incorrect because xylem and phloem both acts in the transporting of water and food. This xylem transport the water and phloem that distribute the food. And next, the micronutrient are required by plants for proper growth. It is false because micro and macro both nutrients are required for the growth of plant. Deficiency of zinc results in yellowing leaves and stent growth. It is true. And upward movement of water minerals from root to leaves, that is called ascent of sap. Very nice. It is true. Osmosis involves movement of water across semi-permeable membrane. That is true. And active transport uses energy to transport for the molecules. It is also true. And root hairs increases the surface area for absorption. This is also True. Students, next one is the level diagram which is shown here. See here, what does the figure depict? And here second one is name the process involved in it. So here you are seeing that this one is the pericycle. Here first one is, this one is the endodermis. Here this outermost part, that is epidermis. This one is cortex, and here these are the root hairs which increases the surface area for the absorption, and xylem and phloem you are seeing here, and next one is cortex. Okay, so this one is about this figure, and remaining portion of this chapter, that question answers of notes work, we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you everyone.